Follow these steps if you want to correctly download and install PHP in Windows. First of all, go to your browser, search for windows.php.net, as you can see here. After that, download the latest version, which is the thread safe zip file. Now make sure to extract the zip file. Go to WinRAR, extract files, go to the C drive, click the plus button. In here, click create new folder, name it PHP, and click OK. Now we need to modify the environment variables. Go to the search bar, type environment, select edit the system environment variables, click environment variables, go to system variables, scroll down until you find the path, double click, after that click new. From here you need to paste the path of the folder we extracted. So go back to the file explorer, go to the C drive, after that go to the PHP folder, double click, after that go to the path, Ctrl C, go back here, paste it right here, and click OK. After that click OK here to open the CMD, type PHP space dash dash version, and there you go. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.